Hi, and welcome to Module 4. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Let me know your name and where you're participating from in the comments. So I want to see your name. I want to see where you're participating from. And it will also be great if you drop what you do. That is, if you drop details about what you do. So I am Alero. I am also known as iWealth. I'll be your facilitator for today. And I'm also the growth and marketing lead at MailDrip. So sit back in. Today we're going to be talking about opt-in pages and landing pages. So let's dive right into it. All right, so I will be showing you how to create opt-in forms using MailDrip, create landing pages, that is sales pages using MailDrip, and also how to optimize these platforms. I mean, optimize MailDrip for your use, and you can use this form on your social media and on your website. So let's go. All right, so this is MailDrip right now. You sign in. I believe by now you should have signed up. So once you do that, you come right here to create an opt-in page. Okay, so you have create new. Create new gives you instant emails or drip campaigns. And then contact is where you have your contact list. Remember that this is a build your email list challenge. So every one of you should have a mail sorry, every one of you should have a MailDrip account by now. So your MailDrip account is where we're going to be monitoring how your email list is growing. Remember, you cannot upload, or you should not upload the CSV file. What we're going to be counting for you is your organic email list growth from when the workshop started to when it ends. So let's get right into it. So I had clicked on opt-in page, and the beautiful thing about MailDrip is that you can create these things with your device. Like most other platforms will always hold you to ransom to have to use a laptop, but with MailDrip you can do it right from the comfort of your phone. Like you can do literally everything with your device, with your mobile device. So it doesn't matter whether you have a laptop, a PC, a desktop, or a MacBook, whatever. Okay, so you click on create new and give it a title. So let me say I want to make it GYEL. All right, sorry about the break in transmission. So I am going to give the opt-in page title BGYEL. So that's grow your email list, acronym for grow your email list. And that's because whatever it is that you put here is going to be what will show as your URL. I'll show you that shortly. So click on proceed. Okay. And then these are the templates available for now because this is the beta testing. So click on select. At the first stage, it takes you to design your opt-in page. So when you click on select, it takes you to design your opt-in page. And what you might want to do here is to maintain your brand color, or depending on what you want to showcase. So this is MailDrip logo. You can select, like you can change it and put something there. You can put in your own logo. So I'm not going to pick any random image that pops up on my screen right now. Okay. I know I feel I'm going to use any random. Let me just try. Let me use that one. Okay. Let me just try. And then I can change the banner color. So let me say I want to use a shade of purple. And I also want to maintain it right here. You can see how tiny it is. So it's better you use a logo actually. If you use any other image, it will just show very tiny because this space is actually meant for a logo. Okay. So here we are. We have changed the color of the footer and the color of the header. So the next thing we want to do is to change the image. So this is your opt-in page. This is the page you create for people to sign up to your newsletter. So this first page, this first side here that says drag and drop is for the logo. The next hero image is for the main image on the page. So I'm going to choose a flyer that depicts what we're talking about. So this can be an image of your ebook, what's the word now? Your ebook mockup. So you can create an ebook mockup with Canva. I want to believe that you know how to do that. So, or you can just put in your flyer or whatever it is here. So I am going to edit this now and say chat GPT prompts. And then this is a brief description. I will click on edits and say save time getting the right results with AI. I might be more descriptive than that. So here you want to put in information about this book, like the freebie that you are giving out. You can write, oh, it will change your life, it will resurrect the dead. Of course, just explain what the lead magnets will do for them. So this is just me doing one line just to show you like what you can do with it. And so this is the information where they put in their first name, last name, and email address. So another thing you can do is to say, okay, this button color as well. Let's change it. So I can either make it purple still, or I can make it gold. Okay. So I can make that gold and say subscribe. So and that's it. We are literally done. You can leave this button saying business email, phone number. You can leave that out. But this is it actually. This is your opt-in page. It's ready in less than 5 minutes. You can have that completed. So once you're done with that, next thing you want to do is to hit done. And then you're going to be asked where you want to, because so by now you should have created, I will show you how to create a contact list, but I had already created a contact list. So This is me choosing the contact list. So contact list is like a group of where you want these people to go to, because sometimes one of the things about email marketing is you should be able to segment your email list. So there are people who might come in for exhibit A that might not want the exhibit B, and you want to be able to group them together. So I'm just going to say Bohem community because this is the contact list I already created here. And then I will click on done, and voila, you see the title is showing up here, GYEL, like I told you earlier. So what you also do with this is to copy this link. Okay, when you copy this link, you can share it with your friends and family and everything. So let's go to contact now. So I'll show you how to create a contact list. It's actually very simple. So you can see, just create new group, and let me say GYEL challenge. And basically that's it. So I can see the groups here, like everybody who connects, I can see which group they belong to, if they are Bohem community or if they are GYEL community. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the WhatsApp group and also leave them in the comments so that I can address it. But because this platform, the platform we're using to stream, you cannot share your screen real time. So I have to record this. And by the time you're watching this, I'm probably somewhere in a yacht. So, but you get the drift, right? So now let's go to landing page. So you've seen how to create an opt-in page, and then you've seen how to create a landing page. So this is when you go back to landing page, you see your GYEL, and copy this URL, and then you share it to your friends and families on social media, everywhere. You can run ads to this. So I believe that's what our next class will cover, to show you what you need to do and how you need to do what to do. So this is it. This is it. So this is our opt-in page that we designed. It is like a web. So you send this link to anybody. Anybody with internet can access it, put in their email address. So let me say Vera, and let me give in random. Okay, no, this is not random. Oh yeah, sorry. Oh bad, sorry. Okay, Vera again. Last name, maybe Welts. Then okay, let me just use a shorter email address. Wilfred Travels. Email address. Oh, okay, and hit subscribe. Great. So we have done that. So now let's go and check our MailDrip to see if that contact came in. Okay. Let's refresh here. Let's refresh and see if that came in. And okay, it's not here yet. Might just allow like a couple of minutes and refresh again to see if it is right here. Okay, so let's go. And then something else that I would like to show you with the opt-in pages. So if you want to maybe change anything, you can come here and click on edits. Okay. So and then another thing is, maybe after people finish signing up, you want to redirect them somewhere else. Maybe you want them to get something. Okay. Let me be sure this is the correct link first. So it doesn't lead us astray. So I'm going to lead us astray because that's not the link to my that's not the link. Sorry, give me a minute. Let me get my own link. Okay. I think my own link is EMN starter kits. Okay, great. So this is my own link. So let me say I want to sell I want to sell an online course after they finish signing up. So in this place where I have redirect link, so what this redirect link means is that as soon as I'm filling the form, they are redirected to another page. Okay. All right, I'm looking out for something. Appears my screen is frozen. Okay, let me see some reactions. I might not be here real time, but I will be here real time in the comments. But let me see some reaction. And so I'm pasting that. Okay, so I pasted the link and then I'm going to come back here and click on done. I'll click on done and that's it. So you have to hit publish again because you have a new update. If you don't hit publish, the new update I made will not be visible. So don't forget to hit updates or publish rather. Okay, so let's get into the biggie, which is landing page. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Okay, so you hit the create new button. I'd like to see questions and I'd like to know what you've learned so far. I'd like to see your questions and what we've learned so far. And then I'd also like to know, is everybody that's participating right now, do you have your MailDrip account? Have you created your MailDrip account? Let me see your yes in the comment. Let me see your yes in the comments. Let me see your yeses in the comments. Yay, me. Ah, okay. I think this has to do with probably my network. This is not a notebook issue. It is a network issue. Hmm.